All right, guys, fresh out of the shower. Now for the next 14 days, I'm gonna be doing a test, a shave-off between Gillette's Mach3 and the Mach3 Turbo. So I'm gonna try to make this real quick through the magic of video. Will the Mach3, first off, stand up to 15 days in a row of shaving? And does the Turbo last just a little bit longer? How does it feel? Starting now. Day 2. All shaves are all Gillette. I'll be using my favorite Gillette Foam Mousse. All right, let's start off with Mach3. I had about a 3 to 4 day growth, but for the rest of the trial, it's going to be every day. Side one is done with the Mach3. Still feels good, still feels sharp. No tugs, no pulls. Now we'll go to the Turbo side. Oh yeah. I still give the nod to the Turbo, guys. Just feels like there's more contact. Thanks to the more dense microfin or rubber guide down here and thicker, more long-lasting lubrication strip up top. That's what I'm going to say. I'm believing in the marketing, guys. All right, guys, day 2 is in the books. Going to give the edge to the Turbo. Still feels new. They both feel great. No nicks, no tugs, no pulls. This just, it still gives you more contact with your face. More contact, more control. More contact, more control. Keep push and play. See you tomorrow.